Mondosol. Today we're gonna do something cool, something new. The pudding tiramisu. So what you need is coffee, espresso coffee. So you wanna have something like this, and then you wanna have a caffettiera, a coffee maker. I mean, Italian espresso. You need to put water as much as this. Okay, and then you wanna fill it up with coffee. Try to put it soft, don't press it. Okay. So once you put the coffee, try to keep it clean as well, the border, and have it flat. Then what you're gonna do after the coffee is done, show you the preparation. This has to be closed well. Put it in the fire, and this will be ready. Pudding with apritre, okay? Oats. Here they go. And so you have plenty of protein and fibers, and this is also good for diet. You're gonna have stomach, and you actually want to do this in the morning, or if you were, you can do it the night before and soak them. Okay. So now we're gonna cook them a bit. So you're gonna boil some water if you have a boiler. Okay. Add honey, sweeten, Greek yogurt, or whatever yogurt you want to put. You can even put flavor yogurt. And then we're gonna add up this. It's a drinkable yogurt, no lactose, and with special bacteria for the stomach. This is very good. And we're gonna end up with cocoa on the top. So this is the end result. This is the tiramisu pudding, and see